Okay, and continuing with the Mustang Rally build for my wife, Jill, we are going to finish up putting all the aluminum pieces together. So as what you can see right here is you have the two pieces that go on the floor. These are the two pieces that go on the back. You do have the package shelf right there. You do have a piece right there, and then the door panels. Now, or sorry, the back quarter panels, basically those pieces right there. Now, what we have to do, or had to do already, is actually connect all these with rivets. Now, all the holes were already there for this. I don't think I had to screw in or drill out any other holes. Now, the way this goes together is like this. Obviously, that flange that's on the bottom, that flange right there goes underneath it, which I'll need two people, and Jill will come out here and help me. She actually helped me with all this. We didn't do it on camera because, again, we didn't have to drill anything. It was all pretty much just throw a rivet in and you're good to go. Now, we do have the drill already set. We do have the rivets and I'll just say a mediocre rivet gun. I'm not real happy with that one, but whichever. Other than that, I'll go ahead and get her out here. We'll put it on time lapse and we'll start putting these panels together. Basically this one on this one and this one on that one. And after that, we'll talk about what we need to do, because I actually have to connect all these. These are the brackets that will go, let me see. That will go right here. Basically this right here gets onto that little area right there. Basically right here, it goes underneath. And then these pieces will go right here, which actually connect to this. Now what we're gonna do with these as well as those is we are gonna put these together with rib nuts and screws, because I wanna be able to remove that. Remember, we are getting a new roll cage for this shortly after we get it registered. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to pull everything back out and then trim out where the roll cage goes. It basically just replaces this piece right here, and it will be a roll bar that goes right here, that goes basically up, over, and down. And then you'll have the 4-point in the back, or the whole 4-point. Two right here, the loop, and then 2 points that go back. Now it is gonna have basically a seat belt bar for it, so we can actually utilize a 6-point harness we plan on getting. And then after we get all this set up, we have to put that piece in, and we do have something for the back, and we'll wait for that afterwards. That when we get the back all done, we'll put that piece in there. But let me get Jill. We'll go out here and do the time lapse real quick for putting all this stuff together. Okay, be right back. Okay, so what we've done right now is we ended up putting all these pieces together. So that is 4 pieces. You have one here, one here, one here, and then the base. So 4 pieces here, 4 pieces here. We have this all taped up for where we mark these, as well as this out of here, as well as where we put that. So once we get all this in the car, everything together, we will basically mark along this line right here where these will go, and we'll put these just shy of that line. That way we know it's gonna fit. The one thing that we will have to do, sorry about the noise, is we will have to make braces. Now these braces won't work because they are a little bit too short. Braces that go right here for this section. So basically what this will do is this will go behind this and connect to the inside of this, as well as have a connection for this right here. So let's go ahead and set up the camera. Jill will definitely help me with this because this is a pain in the butt getting in and out of the car, so she is a great help. I couldn't do it without her. I better not do it without her because this is her car. Okay, see you in a second. Okay, so right now we have everything taped up. I actually went and did this. I put the tape on this side. That way I just mark it, and wherever this much is, this is the edge where it needs to be countersunk. It's this distance I need to cut all the way down, as well as marked with that. So it's identical, or pretty close to identical. I'm gonna make sure it's exactly the same all the way up, and then I will secure everything with rib nuts and whatever. There's a few places in here I won't be able to get it. I just make sure there's a space, like right here there's a space, I believe up here there's a space, and then right here I think there's a space. And of course everything in the back. Now I will have to drill out all this right here because that will be secured to the top portion of this, but I will do that when I get the other pieces, basically the package shelf done. I do need to do some cleanup of some of the stuff up there before I do any of those installs, as well as I have to do the very front of this as well. So basically all right here. Now I did mark these, as you can tell. Now I have a place to put the pieces that go to secure that to that. Then I'm gonna have to put them back in there and mark where they are on this. That way I can drill the holes out on this first and then drill them through the other thing. So this is gonna come in and out multiple times. This is basically just this video is showing you just how many times this has to come out. We've already had this in a few times. Here we go, have that side done too. So far, how do you like it?
It's gonna be really shiny.
It's gonna be, I tell you what, if you go out on a sunny day, it's gonna blind you. I mean, we're gonna have to get some dark tint windows for this. We're probably gonna get louvers for the back right here, and probably louvers for the back of this too to block some of the sun coming in. Whatever Jill's wants. I don't know how louvers look on a 4x4 4x4 Mustang. It's gonna be 2-wheel drive, but it's gonna be lifted. So
we'll do the tent.
Yeah, we'll do the tint. So we'll probably do all the tint on this. Obviously the windows on the side need to be tinted. Front glass, we won't tint that. So they say. Oh God. Hi Shadow. Hi. So I hope you like Shadow's project car. As you can tell, he tries to get in when I'm in there. Thank God she's here to keep him out and keep him safe. So we are close to 6,000 subscribers. I think we're under 100 away. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. This is going to be somewhat of a short video. We're doing it in short bits because it does take a lot of behind the scenes to be able to trim and cut and make sure everything's good and put it in there, fit, refit, stuff like that. I don't think a half an hour long video will be good, but it does take a lot to put this stuff in. Now, this is from Scott Rod Fab. So far, we're really pleased with them. We paid for this, we bought it, they made it. It was all custom made. They don't have it on
they don't have stocks of it.
Yeah, they make it as you buy it. So it does take a little bit of time. They do have one more piece I'm curious about getting, but I'm kind of afraid to. And it is the aluminum dash. It will replace the dash 100% with aluminum, basically like the rest of it, for the front.
Dude, that would be so bright. I'm gonna have to wear shades.
That would be 100% removed interior and everything. We want to see just how it drives and kind of do a little bit of driving on it on a regular road before we take it off. So obviously it's going to make a crap ton of noise with the aluminum panels inside. Hopefully we can kind of tune that down just a little bit. But again, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you want to see this video or want to see the series, we will have a link to all the series in there. You can just follow it. I think this is like episode 25. We've done a lot of work to this vehicle. This is a Copart totaled vehicle on a salvage title. We also have to go through the process of making it rebuilt title, which sucks. More on that when we actually get it and see if we actually can do it. Okay?
Should be able to.
Yeah.
I have faith.
She'll do it. Okay. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you guys later. Bye.